Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about father of different fields. Who is considered the father of modern physics? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Galileo Galilei. Correct option, B. Albert Einstein. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? A. Antoine Lavoisier. B. Dmitri Mendeleev. C. Marie Curie. Correct option, A. Antoine Lavoisier. Who is regarded as the father of modern biology? A. Charles Darwin. B. Gregor Mendel. C. Louis Pasteur. Correct option, A. Charles Darwin. Who is considered the father of modern psychology? A. Sigmund Freud. B. Ivan Pavlov. C. Carl Jung. Correct option, A. Sigmund Freud. Who is known as the father of modern computer science? A. Alan Turing. B. Bill Gates. C. Steve Jobs. Correct option, A. Alan Turing. Who is regarded as the father of modern genetics? A. James Watson. B. Francis Crick. C. Gregor Mendel. Correct option, C. Gregor Mendel. Who is considered the father of modern sociology? A. Karl Marx. B. Max Weber. C. Emil Durkheim. Correct option, C. Emil Durkheim. Who is known as the father of modern medicine? A. Hippocrates. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Edward Jenner. Correct option, A. Hippocrates. Who is considered the father of modern economics? A. Adam Smith. B. John Maynard Keynes. C. Karl Marx. Correct option, A. Adam Smith. Who is known as the father of modern electricity? A. Thomas Edison. B. Nikola Tesla. C. Benjamin Franklin. Correct option, B. Nikola Tesla. Who is regarded as the father of modern astronomy? A. Nicholas Copernicus. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Johannes Kepler. Correct option, A. Nicholas Copernicus. Who is known as the father of modern philosophy? A. René Descartes. B. Immanuel Kant. C. John Locke. Correct option, A. René Descartes. Who is regarded as the father of modern political science? A. Niccolò Machiavelli. B. Thomas Hobbes. C. Aristotle. Correct option, C. Aristotle. Who is regarded as the father of modern surgery? A. Joseph Lister. B. William Harvey. C. Andreas Vesalius. Correct option, A. Joseph Lister. Who is considered the father of modern astronomy? A. Nicholas Copernicus. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Johannes Kepler. Correct option, A. Nicholas Copernicus. Who is known as the father of modern computer programming? A. Alan Turing. B. John von Neumann. C. Grace Hopper. Correct option, A. Alan Turing. Who is regarded as the father of modern artificial intelligence? A. John McCarthy. B. Alan Turing. C. Marvin Minsky. Correct option, A. John McCarthy. Who is known as the father of modern nuclear physics? A. Ernest Rutherford. B. Niels Bohr. C. Enrico Fermi. Correct option, A. Ernest Rutherford. Who is the father of modern evolutionary biology? A. Charles Darwin. B. Alfred Russel Wallace. C. Theodosius Dobzhansky. Correct option, A. Charles Darwin.